Hello students, this is the 35th lecture for TY BCom students, Business Statistics, third paper. Name of the topic is Decision Theory, Decision Making under Uncertainty. Decision Making under Uncertainty. Under this condition, the probabilities associated with occurrence of different state of nature are not known. That is, there is no historical data available or no relative frequency which could indicate the probability of the occurrence of a particular state of nature. In other words, the decision maker has no other way of calculating the expected payoff for his course of action or strategies. Such a situation arises when a new product is introduced in the market or a new plant is set up. The number of different decision criteria available under the conditions of uncertainty are: first criteria, Maximin criteria. This criteria is the decision to take the course of action which maximizes the minimum possible payoff. The decision maker lists down the minimum outcome within every course of action or alternative strategy and then select the strategy with the maximum number. Since this criteria locates the alternative strategy that has least possible loss, it is also known as the pessimistic decision criteria. Maximin therefore is the best of the worst. Second criteria, Maximax criteria or criteria of optimism. This criteria is just reverse of the previous one. This corresponds to identify the best possible outcome, that is maximum payoff associated with each course of action, and then select the maximum of the maximum value in action. It represents optimistic approach of solving the problem. For a payoff table corresponding gains, we proceed as follows. Step 1. Write down the maximum payoff for each strategy. Step 2. Identify the maximum figure among these maximum payoffs, that is, we find the maximax. Step 3. The strategy corresponding to the maximax payoff is the optimal strategy. Thus, here we go for the strategy which maximizes the maximum possible payoffs or gains. Third criteria, Minimax regret criteria. This criteria is used to identify the regret, that is nothing but opportunity loss associated with each state of nature if a particular course of action is undertaken. In this case, for each conditional profit or cost value, a regret value equal to difference between the maximum payoff under the state of nature and payoff resulting from each course of action under that state is calculated. That is, regret payoff is equal to maximum payoff for the course of action minus payoff. Find the maximum regret for each course of action and then choose the minimum of the maximum regret values. Next criteria, Hurwitz's criteria. A rational decision maker should neither completely optimistic nor pessimistic. Hurwitz introduced the idea of coefficient of optimism. Let the coefficient of optimism be alpha. 0 is less than or equal to alpha is less than or equal to 1. So if alpha is equal to 1, the decision maker is optimistic about the future, and alpha is close to 0, the decision maker is pessimistic about the future. According to Hurwitz, choose the strategy that maximizes H is equal to alpha into bracket maximum payoff in the column plus 1 minus alpha into bracket minimum payoff in the column. So for the payoff table corresponding gains, we proceed as follows. Step 1, estimate or identify the value of alpha. Step 2, identify the largest payoff, say capital MI, and the smallest payoff, say small mi, for each strategy. Then step 3, calculate the expected value payoff for each strategy as expected value is equal to alpha into capital Mi plus 1 minus alpha into small mi. Step 4, the strategy corresponding to this maximum payoff is the optimal strategy. Next criteria, Laplace criteria. This criteria is based on the principle of insufficient reason or equally likelihood. The decision maker first calculate the average outcome for each course of action, which is the sum of all outcomes divided by number of outcomes, and then select that with the maximum number. So step 1, assign equal probabilities to each environmental table and each environmental state. Step 2, compute the expected value for each outcome by its probability and then summing. Step 3, select the alternative with the highest expected value. See the example. Dr. Mohanlal has been deciding about starting his own nursing home. The problem is to decide how large the nursing home should be. The annual returns will depend on both size of nursing home and the number of marketing factors. After a careful analysis, Dr. Mohanlal developed the following table. Size of nursing home and marketing factors. There are 4 sizes of nursing homes he is planning: small, medium, large and very large. And there are 3 marketing factors: good market, fair market and poor market. The payoff values are: for good market, small size nursing home 50,000, medium size nursing home 80,000, large size nursing home 1 lakh, very large size nursing home 3 lakhs. For fair market, the values for small size nursing home 20,000, medium size nursing home 30,000, large size nursing home 30,000 and very large size nursing home 25,000. Then for poor market, the values for small size nursing home minus 10,000, medium size nursing home minus 20,000, large size nursing home minus 40,000 and very large size nursing home minus 1,60,000. Find the optimum decision under first part Maximax criteria, second part Minimax criteria, third part Maximin criteria, fourth part Laplace criteria, or it is also called as equally likely criteria, and fifth part Hurwitz criteria. Value of alpha is 0.8, and last part Minimax regret criteria. So this is the problem statement. First step is to define the acts. Let A1 be the act to construct small size nursing home. A2 is the act to construct medium size nursing home. A3 is the act to construct large size nursing home, and A4 is the act to construct very large size of nursing home. Then events are E1 good market, E2 fair market, E3 poor market. First criteria we are going to see, that is nothing but Maximax criteria. So in which first step is to rewrite the table with A1 A2, A3, A4 and E1, E2, E3, and then find out the maximum payoff for every row. So in the first row the maximum value is 50,000. Second row the maximum value is 80,000. Third row maximum value becomes 1 lakh. For fourth row maximum value becomes 3 lakhs. Amongst these maximum values we have to select the maximum again because the criteria is maximax criteria. So the maximum value amongst maximums is 3 lakhs. So therefore under maximax criteria Dr. Mohanlal will select Act A4, that is to construct a very large size of nursing home, and his maximax value is rupees 3 lakhs. Second criteria, minimax criteria. So for minimax criteria we need the maximum values. We already have calculated the maximum values. We will select the minimum amongst the maximums. So under minimax criteria Dr. Mohanlal will select Act A1, that is to construct small size of nursing home, and his minimax value will be rupees 50,000. Then third criteria is maximin criteria, for which we have to consider the minimum payoff A1, A2, A3, A4. For A1 the minimum payoff is minus 10,000. For A2 the minimum payoff is minus 20,000. For A3 the minimum payoff is minus 40,000, and for A4 minimum payoff is minus 1,60,000. So among which we have to consider the maximum. So maximum value is minus 10,000. So under maximin criteria Dr. Mohanlal will select Act A1 and his maximin value will be minus 10,000. He will go for small size of nursing home. Then next criteria is Laplace criteria or equally likely criteria. So we will find the average payoff for every act. So for A1 the average payoff is 20,000. How to calculate average? 50 plus 20 becomes 70. 70 minus 10 becomes 60. 60 divided by 3 becomes 20,000. Then second, 80 minus 20 becomes 60. 60 plus 30 becomes 90. 90 divided by 3 becomes 30,000. For A3, 1 lakh minus 40,000 becomes 60,000. 60,000 plus 30,000 becomes 90,000. 90,000 divided by 3. The answer is again 30,000. And for A4, the average payoff is 55,000. Now amongst this, we have to select the maximum, which is nothing but 55,000. So under Laplace criteria, Dr. Mohanlal will select Act A4, that is to construct very large size of nursing home. His Laplace value will be rupees 55,000. Then next criteria is Hurwitz alpha criteria. Value of alpha is given to be 0.8. So the formula for H is equal to alpha into capital Mi plus 1 minus alpha into small mi. So capital Mi is the maximum payoff and small mi is the minimum payoff for each act. So we already have calculated maximum and minimum. So this is maximum and this is minimum. So for first act maximum value is 50,000 and minimum value is minus 10,000. So 0.8 into 50,000 plus 1 minus 0.8 into minus 10,000. So H1 value is 38,000. H2 is equal to 0.8 into 80,000 plus 1 minus 0.8 into minus 20,000. So the answer becomes 60,000. H3 is equal to 0.8 into 1 lakh plus 1 minus 0.8 into minus 40,000. So answer becomes 72,000. And H4 is calculated as 0.8 into 3 lakhs plus 0.2 into minus 1,60,000. So the answer becomes 2,08,000. So among these values, we will select the largest value, which is nothing but 2,08,000. So under Hurwitz's criteria, Dr. Mohanlal will go for Act A4, that is to construct very large size of nursing home, and his Hurwitz value will be rupees 2,08,000. Then Minimax regret criteria. So first of all, we have to find the regret table or opportunity loss table. So A1 even. So what we will do, we will select the maximum. Column wise maximum is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs minus 50,000. So that is nothing but 2,50,000. Then 3 lakhs minus 80,000 becomes 2,20,000. Then 3 lakh minus 1 lakh becomes 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs, and 3 lakhs minus 3 lakhs becomes 0. So first of all, we will calculate the regret table by subtracting every value from the highest value column wise. For second column, the values becomes 10,000, 0, 0 and 5,000. Because the maximum value is 30,000. So 30,000 minus 20,000 become 10,000. 30,000 minus 30,000 becomes 0. 30,000 minus 30,000 becomes 0. And 30,000 minus 25,000 becomes 5,000. Hence, the values are 0, 10,000, 10,000, 0, 0 and 5,000. For E3, the values are, the maximum payoff is minus 10,000. So minus 10,000 minus 10,000 minus of minus 10,000 becomes 0. Then minus 10,000 minus of minus 20,000 becomes plus 10,000. So first of all, we will calculate the regret values. Among these regret, find out the maximum regret. So 2,50,000 is the maximum regret for first row. 2,20,000 becomes the maximum regret for second row. 2 lakh is the maximum regret for third row, and 1,50,000 becomes maximum regret for fourth row. Then this is the only criteria in which we will select the minimum value, because minimax regret value. So 1,50,000 is the minimum value amongst all four values. So under minimax regret criteria, Dr. Mohanlal will select Act A4, that is to construct very large size of nursing home, and his minimum regret value will be rupees 1,50,000.